Oh yeah, I see him.
Hit one again.
Hey, let's go.
Yo, they're behind the bus stop. There's only 2 of them. Hit him once. Oh, they're running.
Hit him again.
Fuck that. I want that AK.
Let's push him, fuck it.
I'm pushing on the left. Oh, they got their base over there.
Their anime base.
I think that's their base over there. Oh, there's one. Oh, headshot the AK and hit him. Lit.
I had his buddy with his.
Alright, I'm push up. AK's lit. I killed one.
It sounds like they're fucking shit up again.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna
Did you kill AK?
grab my
AK's down. Got the AK.
Got you.
Grabbing the AK.
Run it up.
It's us, right? Isn't it?
Full team.
I'm out of
You
here.
got a bolty?
Did you loot the other guy, Josh?
They're up on the rocks.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Oh my god, bro. The P2 has so much recoil now. It's insane.
I looked at him.
They're
One
behind
right behind the
high
high wall. Bad spot. Did you light him up?
I killed one and then the other.
Killed the one with the M9?
I'm helping you up. Oh, you're down.
Killed the other one.
I'm down. He's up on the rock.
Alright, I'm lit. You gotta take him out quick.
He's hit a lot. I'm lit.
Come back, come back.
I got the M9.
Oh, I gotta reload.
I'm down right next to your body, Joe.
Alright.
He's at the high wall again. I think there's 2.
Yes, they caught him. I ain't got time to shut it right now. He's up. Yeah, he's up by the rock. He's up on the side. I'm about to die.
Downed one.
Lit one.
Help me up, bro, if you can.
I'm dead.
Oh, I
There's
got
another
you.
one. Fuck. Need help.
I'm running back over. Hold on.
Got 5 HP. He's lit.
Killed one.
Nice.
Fucking
that's
headshot him
one,
with
right?
the M9.
How many were there?
3.
I'm looting.
Killed one.
I killed.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah, that's all of them.
That's me shooting naked.
Alright.
Ooh, water piping?
Did you just get piped?
Oh, I'm down.
Naked's got you or what?
Yeah. There was
Alright.
4 nakeds with bows.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
Pipe me.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Killed one with P2. Oh, that must have been your P2.
Oh,
Damn, this kid just got shit on, boys. I shit on him. He was trying to farm some shit, but instead
Ooh, I'm
got
getting attacked.
murdered.
Triple headshot one. Dead. Oh my god, I'm shooting the fucking airdrop. He's dead. Oh no, he's not dead. What?
You did?
Yeah, some dude rolled up. Oh, there's 2 guys. 3 guys?
right at him.
One's
Ooh,
fight.
yeah.
Wait, was that you shooting the semi? Or the custom?
Yep.
Alright. Hit the AK twice. I'm going for the AK, kid. One of them's pushing you. I'm gonna push AK.
Triple headshot me.
You dead?
Yep.
Damn, son.
One for losing.
Wish I had that custom right about now.
Ahead,
Killed
you keep
AK.
it. Nice. Drop. The one that was running.
Killed them both.
Nice.
I'm lit.
I had a med on my body.
It's alright, I got some. Was there
Shit.
3?
I run back. Huh? Killed 3?
No, was there 3 people? He had an M9. And fucking
All
2K
2.
sulfur. Holy shit.
Yeah, I had that on my body.
Oh, yes, I got his AK. Alright, I don't know where I guess they didn't loot your custom?
That's fine. Don't worry about it.
Should I not? Where'd you die?
Up on that hill. Yep. You're going the right way.
Yeah, I'm not sure where. Is this you? Oh, no.
No, I'm not even close.
Killed him.
They're still just fucking around.
No, he didn't.
Oh, yeah, he saw you.
Oh, you just headshot me.
I hit him.
Dude, he's hitting me through the rock.
I saw.
He just
He
shot
hit
me
me.
through the rock 4 times.
Yeah. They're pushing. They're gonna push across the river.
Alright. Got a med up. Alright. They pushing?
One's on the far left, behind that middle rock. Sam. Oh, I just
one
got
pushed
headshot
up?
from close.
Might have downed him. I think I downed him. There's another one close.
I'm lit.
Alright. One's behind that little rock.
He's headshot,
Yep.
and he's hit twice.
He's still behind that little rock.
Yep.
Oh, yep.
He's hit
Oh, you
again.
hit him again? You hit him again? You want to push him?
Yeah, we can push him.
Fuck it. Let's push him. You might have downed him. Oh, you downed him. You killed him.
Nice.
Grabbing his gear. Oh, he has a flamey and 4
man.
satchels.
Nice, nice, nice. Silencer.
Fuck are you guys doing?
Killing people. You down the other one? Here comes one.
Yep. Got a semi-rifle? Where is he? I downed the other one for sure. Oh, they're coming up?
You go 9-8.
Oh, one's
Alright,
across
you
the
go.
river. Is one pushing up?
Yeah, one's close. One's close.
Alright.
Behind you. Killed him.
Okay. Close, close. Hit him. You good?
Oh, I'm getting shot from behind or something, bro.
He's shooting across
Different angle. Different angle, though. I was behind the wall.
They need me to hop on.
Oh, I'm fucking lit.
Good. Fall back. Fall back.
I'm lit. I'm lit.
Headshot him. He's dead.
Nice. I have fucking 15 HP.
You got meds?
No, I'm out of meds. I'm using bandages.
Where you at? Where you at?
I ran to the rocks.
How far back?
Right, I'm by you. I'm by you.
Someone's
Here.
running up? Or is that you?
This is me next to you.
Oh yeah, someone ran up, I'm pretty sure. Here, can you hold some shit?
Yeah, give me. Someone's running up. Someone's running up.
Yep. Oh yeah, he's shooting that naked. He's shooting that naked.
Let him push the naked. Let him push the naked.
I'm gonna go up around left.
All right. Yeah. He killed the naked. He's going to loot the stuff.
Yep. I'm pushing up to him. I gave you the satchels.
Yep.
Oh, there's two of them. Down one. Nice.
Nice. We fucked those kids.